you haven't subscribed yet, goodness me, Bumblebee. Hit that button. I know you want to. Hi again, kids. My name is Maya, your Pinoy Aussie friend. Today, let's learn months of the year in English and Tagalog.
Samahan natin si Maya matuto ng mga buwan sa isang taon gamit ang Ingles at Tagalog.
January,
Enero,
February,
Pebrero,
March,
Marso,
April,
Abril,
May,
Mayo,
June,
Hunyo,
July,
Hulyo,
August,
Agosto,
September,
Setyembre,
October,
Oktubre,
November,
Nobyembre,
December,
Disyembre,